So I'm going to show you how you can receive your iPhone's text messages on your Mac or on your MacBook, and even read them from there and respond to them right from the Mac. So you have to enable that in the settings of your iPhone. So tap on settings. Under settings, scroll all the way down to apps, tap on that. And then now in the list of apps, you're looking for the messages app. So just scroll and find the messages app, tap on it to launch it. And in the messages app settings, you need to have iMessage enabled for this to work. And with iMessage enabled, now you can scroll a bit further and find text message forwarding. Now, basically, it says allow your iPhone text messages to also be sent and received on other devices signed into your iMessage account. So you can tap there and then select it. You can see a list of all devices signed into your Apple ID. So you can enable where you want your messages forwarded. Okay. So for instance, I can enable that on my Mac so that I can now go to my Mac, find the messages app on my Mac, and open it. And then now I can choose to turn on the option to receive messages right on my Mac. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.